nail designs has evolved into a potent way to express self-expression that goes beyond just beauty and enters the world of artistic expression. In this video, we will dive into the most nail art designed used concepts that are wonderfully suited to outdoor get-togethers and self-expression. Where creativity has no limits and nails become tiny works of art, for vivid and lively shades to delicate and detailed patterns. Let's dive into the intriguing world of nail art, celebrating its ability to turn fingertips into your creativity. For a relaxed outdoor festival or an artistic collaboration where you are get together for expression of your creativity. With a free-spirited friend, embrace the bohemian vibe while intricate designs begin with a base of warm, earthy tones such as terracotta and mustard. Then let your creativity flow as you paint on geometric patterns, feathers, and dramatic motifs. The result with the nails that reflect the free-spirited artistic side of your personality. For those who looking for the ultimate challenge and creative freedom, hand-painted nail art is the pinnacle. Talented nail artists can turn nails into canvases, crafting detailed designs that tell stories or evoke emotions. Whether you are experienced artist or a beginner, the world of hand-painted nail art offers endless possibilities. If you want to go a sunset party, start with a lovely orange base and mix it with simply into the pink, purple and blue hues as you like. Achieving the perfect blend is easier with a makeup sponge and a small brush. To add a touch of sparkle, the twinkling stars. Consider applying glitter polish. The outcome will be nails that evoke the enhancement for a setting sun. On the journey of nail arts that lets you express yourself in both subtle and bold ways. Whether you prefer classic designs or the drama of 3D creations, nail art is an incredible form of self expression that continues to captivate and inspire. So choose the right colors and design and put them on your nails.